When Entity Framework first receives a link query for execution, it compiles that query and basically turns it into SQL. And then, in order to be faster in the future, it caches that query so that it can be reused on subsequent requests. Check out these two queries. Since the expression trees contain different constants, the expression tree differs for each one of those queries, and they would be compiled separately. This also means the executed SQL is slightly different for each one. And because that SQL is different, your database is likely also going to create different query plans for each one. But a small modification can change this considerably. Because the title is now parameterized, both queries will have the same shape and only one compiled query needs to be created by Entity Framework. This also means that for each request of the database, the same query is sent, which means the database can reuse its query plan. But there's no reason to go change all your Entity Framework queries over to being parameterized. Perfectly fine to use constants, and in fact, your database and Entity Framework can sometimes perform some optimization to those queries that it can't when they're parameterized.